TikTok Ads Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to TikTok ads and relevant resources are in the description. TikTok Ads is one of the most effective advertising platforms for brands looking to engage younger audiences, particularly Gen Z and millennials. With over 1 billion monthly active users, TikTok offers a unique, algorithm-driven experience where organic and paid content blend seamlessly, making it an excellent platform for high engagement and brand awareness. TikTok Ads provides multiple ad formats to fit different campaign objectives. In-feed ads appear naturally as users scroll through their For You page, allowing engagement through likes, comments, and shares. Top View ads are premium placements that appear as the first video when opening the app, maximizing visibility. Brand takeover ads provide full-screen exposure, instantly grabbing attention. Branded hashtag challenges encourage user-generated content, making them ideal for viral marketing. Branded effects leverage AR and interactive elements to enhance engagement. Spark ads allow businesses to promote organic content directly, driving authenticity and better audience connection. The platform's ad targeting is powerful, enabling businesses to reach users based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even device types. The TikTok Pixel tracks conversions, providing advertisers with real-time performance insights. TikTok supports various bidding strategies, including cost per click, CPC, cost per thousand impressions, CPM, and cost per acquisition, CPA, giving businesses flexibility in campaign budgeting. One of TikTok Ads' biggest advantages is its algorithm, which prioritizes engagement over follower count, meaning even new brands can achieve significant reach with well-optimized content. Short-form videos perform best with strong visuals, fast cuts, and trending audio being key to success. While TikTok excels in brand awareness and direct response campaigns, it requires creativity and trend adaptation to maximize effectiveness. Overall, TikTok Ads is a must-use platform for brands wanting to connect with highly engaged users through dynamic, entertaining content. If you're looking to leverage TikTok's massive reach and viral potential, check the links in the description to start your campaign today.